name's Kyle. I build and adjust bikes. Before this, I worked at a bike shop for about 6 years. My dad bought one when I was in college, just to for fitness. And I was like, oh, that seems fun. So I got one. And then a couple months after that, there was an ad for a Jimmy John's job delivering food on a bike. Yeah, just became obsessed from there. Yeah, I worked delivering food on a bike for like 4 or 5 years. And was working on my own bikes during that time. And then, I started working at a bike shop when I got into mountain biking. Mountain biking is definitely my favorite. I do a bit of gravel riding too. Favorite trail, definitely Walden's Ridge. It's definitely my favorite riding here. Raccoon is really good too though. Biscuits and Gravy is a really good mix of tech and flow, which is my exact style, a little bit of both. And then Dale Bermhart is just pure flow, super fun, good jumps, good berms. Yeah, both great. Probably the Churrahalla City, but I think it'd be the one that I'd most want myself. I don't know, there's something about a flat bar gravel bike that's just fun. Right now, Lord of the Rings. I've been making my way through those again. So yeah, I'd probably have to say that. The biggest one is definitely climbing, but 2 months into a very broken ankle, not doing a lot of that. So I play a lot of video games, read. I'm very addicted to crosswords. Around here, Stone Fort is the obvious answer. It's world class. But Upper Middle Creek would probably be definitely one of my favorites. It's a little quieter. It's right on a creek, so it's super beautiful. I'd say Lomain or maybe Tremont for kind of an everyday. I love burgers, so yeah, they both have really good burgers. If I'm gonna chill at a coffee shop, probably a latte. But if I'm about to do something or if I want to ride, cortado. It's just down the hatch, just straight caffeine. All-time favorite movie is The Big Lebowski for sure. I've seen it so many times. I don't know that I could actually watch it again, to be honest. I've seen it too many times. Before moving here, this was a dream vacation spot for sure. I love to come up here and climb. Now, bucket list vacation, I'd love to go bikepacking in Patagonia. There's a route there that I'd really love to do. I really want to ride in the Pacific Northwest, Squamish, go to Whistler.